Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a pochette that I bought from a Japanese reseller called Brandoff, and I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm opening it for the first time. This is my first time purchasing from this company. It's Brandoff Tokyo, and they're a pretty well-known reseller in Japan. So it comes with the receipt and tissue paper. They packed it in bubble wrap. Oh, this is such a nice surprise they gave me. Okay, so they didn't say this in the description. So I had purchased this bag on their eBay store, and it didn't say it was gonna come with a dust bag. So I'm super excited that it comes with a dust bag, because I recently bought two other Louis Vuitton bags from other resellers, and it did not come with a dust bag. So this is super exciting, and the reason why I bought this one is because the quality was really good in the pictures. So I'm super excited. Take that away. Oh my goodness, so excited. Okay, so this is the older version of the pochette, and right off the bat, the canvas looks really nice quality. There's no noticeable dings. There's the corners. The corners look pretty good. This corner looks pretty good. Okay, and here's the vachetta. The vachetta looks really good. Here you see made in France. The quality of the vachetta looks really good. There's no water stains. It's a nice golden color. And with Brandoff, they put this tag on here, as you can see. And if you want to keep the bag, you remove the tag. If you want to return the bag to them, they will take it back, no questions asked. Just keep the tag on, and you have to pay for the shipping to return it back to Japan. So let's look at the hardware. The hardware looks pretty good. Still the brass color. It's not tarnished. And over here, D-ring. It's still brass color. Looks awesome. The quality, I am so excited. This is the best quality I've seen so far, and the price was really good. It was pretty amazing. Let's see the zipper. Sorry, I'm trying to unzip with one hand, so it's a little hard. Zipper is fantastic. Oh my god, they do an amazing job packing. The interior of the bag looks amazing. I'm so super excited. Yeah, everything looks really good. Just really happy with it. Let me see if I can find the date code. Here's the date code. Sorry. See if I can get in there. Show you the date code. Sorry, it's a weird angle, so I'm going to try to show you the date code here. Well, sorry, it's really hard to see, but it says, well, I have it upside down. Date code says VI, or no, sorry, that's a 1, V1 or VI 0093. The interior looks amazing. There's no stains or anything, and this is the older version of the pochette without the pocket, which I'm totally fine with. And I'm gonna smell the bag, because the last two bags I purchased from a Japanese reseller had a musty smell, so I'm gonna quickly smell the bag. Sorry. Okay, it has a very faint musty smell, but not too bad. I think just airing it out a little bit and putting a little deodorizer in there or some fabric softener sheets will clear that right away. So yeah, I am super excited. This is an amazing find. I'm definitely going to purchase from Brand Off again because I am super excited. The shipping took about 2 weeks for it to arrive, maybe a week and a half. So the shipping was really quick, and it was free shipping with this purchase. So I'm super excited. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, follow me on this channel here and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos just like this where I'll review purchases that I make, new ones and also pre-loved ones. Thanks. Talk to you soon.